Disabling two-factor authentication on Etsy can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to view your security options, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable this feature. Click on it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure that two-factor authentication is no longer active. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Etsy account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.